Hi, this is Eric Parts Actor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the encoder knob on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply for other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new encoder knob for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The encoder knob is responsible for selecting various cycles of the washer. If the encoder knob is broken or damaged, you may not be able to switch between cycle settings. Lift the encoder knob off the washer by pulling it. Check to make sure that the metal sleeve is still on the inside of the encoder knob. If the metal sleeve is attached to the encoder board, you will need to remove it. If you need to purchase a new encoder knob, you can check out our website, partsactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the encoder knob to the control panel and press into place. You may need to rotate the knob to get it to seat properly. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.